Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy, the Ghetographer, aka Pastor Tech, coming back at you with another unboxing video. And today, guys, we're going to be unboxing this puppy right here. And this is an Invictus watch that I found at my local TJ Maxx. Yes, if you want to find, if you're into Invictus, and some people just don't like them. Some people do. You can go to TJ Maxx and you might find one for $40. Because that's how much I paid for this. $40. Say that again, $40. It ain't worth, to me, it ain't worth much more than $40. $200, $300, $400, $500, $600, $700, $800 watches. No. $40, yes. $40 right here. So just went in there one day and I said, oh, they got something. Let me look at it. I liked it. I bought it. So I'm going to give you some of the specs. Then you're going to see it. Japanese quartz, and it's 50 meters water resistant. That's about it. Anything else? Not at all. That's it. So guess what, guys? Without further ado, let's get to the eagle eye view. Hey guys, before we get into the eagle eye view, do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to say that one more time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Listen to me. The YouTube algorithm gods love it when you give me some thumbs up and you share it to other people, because that means it's saying that people are interested in it and it'll push the video out further. So please do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. Okay, guys, this is how the box looked. This is exactly how it came. Okay, so let's open up. There we go. Okay, we're gonna do that one more time. There we go. All right, so now I know what this says. Now I would never buy it for that much money. Never. Let me say never. But you can see it's 47818. I got it for $40. That's all I'm gonna say. I ain't getting it for nothing else. Nothing more than that. So that's how it looks. It's pretty heavy too, guys. Pretty heavy. Let's see if we do. I have to get my. All right, guys. I'm sorry. I had to pause it real quick so I can get all that plastic off. And this is how it looks. I really do like this. It's pretty good. Open this up. There we go. All right, so we're going to open this up. Give me 1 second, guys. I'm fumbling today. I don't know why. I'm fumbling. There we go. So this is how it looks, guys, on the back. See, it's water resistant, Japan movements. Let's take this off. Hey guys, I'm sorry for fumbling so much today. I'm trying to get the stickers and everything off, but it's kind of hard. So it's the Aviator. I'm going to try to so you can see it right there. So that's what it's called, the Aviator right there. So guys, I really do like it. I think it's a very halfway decent watch. I think it looks pretty good. What do you think? So we're going to compare it to some of the watches I bought recently. Okay, these are some of the watches I bought recently. As you can see, this is I've been wearing this one. I've been wearing this one. This kind of grew on me more than I expected to. But so how do you think this looks compared to the ones I bought recently? Okay, so there you go. So let me know, which one would you go with? Would you go with this one, the white one, or would you go with this one? Let's see how heavy it is compared to other watch. We got this watch here. You got 100 grams. Okay, you have the white one here, which is 76 grams. Now compared to both of those, let's see how much this one weighs. This one weighs 211 grams. So it's got some weight to it, guys. So just be warned, if you get something that's, stainless steel and it's big, it's gonna have some weight. How it looks on me. Right. I might have to, this is a little bit too big for me, but I can get the links taken down. So how does it look? What do you think? Would you get something like that? Or is this too big and too heavy for you? It is kind of heavy. Now, I ain't gonna lie to you, it's kind of heavy. You know what I'm saying? You might be able to use it as one of the, I don't know, rings of power. But, you know, you could probably use this as a weapon, too. Throw it at somebody, knock them out. All right, let's get back to the regular. Yo, I'm back to give you my final thoughts on the INVICTA Aviator. And, guys, I like it. Now, I'm going to tell you something. It's a little heavier than I would like. I didn't think it was going to be this heavy, but it is kind of heavier than some of the other watches I have. So just be warned. If you get something 50 millimeters and it's made out of stainless steel, got stainless steel band, it's going to be kind of heavy. I didn't expect it to be that heavy, but I do like the watch face. I do like how it looks. So I'm going to try to wear it once I get it, get a couple of links out and make sure I get it fitted to me. So I'm going to go up to we have a watch place around here that will go ahead and resize it for me. And they'll do it right. It cost me about $20 to get it done. So I am going to do that. So guys, I like it. Now, I understand it's a little bit heavier. It's a little bit heavier. I'm not going to say than you like, because I don't know what you like, but it's a little bit heavier. So what I would say is, if you don't like heavy watches or big watches, this might not be for you. But if you are into big watches, you just need something to look good with a certain outfit, or I'm not gonna say everyday carry because this is kind of heavy, but just wear once in a while. I think this might be it. All right, guys. Hey, before we go, guys, do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'm gonna say that one more time. Please like, share, subscribe. I want to thank my new and current and new subscribers for still rocking with your boy. Once again, this is your boy, the Ghetographer. Thank you for rocking out with me on another unboxing journey. Guys, got some more unboxing coming soon. Hey, put in the comments, would you get this watch? Are you a big watch guy? Big watch lady? You like watches? I know some ladies really do like watches. So let me know what type of watch what type of watch brand you prefer. I don't know why I'm getting all tongue-tied. All right, guys, you have a good day. See you soon.